Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank looks like a very good salesman. Since he's a very good salesman, very good, he sells 1 capsule per month. What if you just sell 1 capsule per month? That's your quota. In 10 years, you will become silver executive. But don't wait for 10 years, okay? Because you can sell 1 capsule per second, right? You know, this has no time frame. So even part-timers can do the business. Isn't it great? And second is no demotion. If you are already a silver executive and you've been inactive for quite a few months, when you come back at the office, you are still a silver executive. Isn't it great? Let's clap your hands for it. And another thing, when you reach the silver executive, you will have 10% overriding sales rebate from the first level down to infinity. On top of what you're earning at the uni level, on top of what you're earning at the binary system. Now, as time goes by, your network will expand, right? And as they expand, the reorder sales also increases, multiplies. Then you will be surprised. One day, you will be a gold executive, 100 points. And a gold executive earns 20%. And the last is global ambassador, 1,000 points. 30%. You know, a global ambassador earns normally a minimum of, $8,000 to $10,000 for yourselves. Because all of you here will be global ambassadors someday. Do you believe in that? Do you believe you'll be a global ambassador? Why? Because it has no time frame. Some of you will be fast, some of you will be slow, but the thing is, there's no time frame. You will all be global ambassador. That's according to your speed. In the Philippines, some of my colleagues, I did the business part-time. It's very hard for me because I've been working, I have no time. I've been working at a major fast food chain in the Philippines. And I have high position in there. The name of the Philippines, the fast food chain is Greenwich. And I have a very high position. That's why my time is really important. I'm a janitor in Greenwich. So I have no time, but because I did the business seriously, even if you do it part-time, but you do it seriously, you will become successful.
That's right.
Do you agree?
Yes.
That's why in a matter of 1 year and 2 months, I became a global ambassador. But some of my friends in the Philippines, my business partners, made it in just 6 months. Some made it in just 3 months. I believe in Nigeria, a lot of you will beat the record in the Philippines. Right? Because the market here is much more huge. Do you agree?
Yes.
And you are much more huge than us. So you will consume a lot more products. Agree? You are tall. Great build. That's it. But now I'm getting fatter already. I ate a lot of swallows. So I need to drink Stephen Tree. But one of the good things about being a global ambassador is there are a lot of incentives. Who wants to travel abroad for free? For free, don't worry, you don't have to pay. And you will travel not alone, but you will travel with us. We'll take your pictures. Isn't that great? Now, I'm done. I'll just give you tips. How to start the business right. Do you want tips? Okay, guys, who are interested with the product? Can I see raise your hands? Interested with the product? Wants to try the product? Please raise your hands. Please, interested with the product. Who are interested with the marketing plan? Can I see raise your hands? Okay? Who are interested with me? Oh, a guy! Oh no! Just joking. Okay. If you're interested in the marketing plan, if you're interested in the product, question is, who wants to join A Global? In a series of hands. Please clap our hands for them.